What's going on, guys? This is Brendan from Subimods. Welcome back to the Subimods YouTube channel. As you guys know, it's been a while since you've seen us, as we've taken a bit of a hiatus from making videos, as things have been pretty crazy this past year. With all of that craziness, we've kind of stepped into a few new projects, including our new BRZ. So for 2022, Subaru came out with a fantastic update to this platform, changing almost every aspect of the car and making an absolutely phenomenal machine out of the BRZ. So we've had this car for about a month already. We've done a good bit of stuff to it, and that's kind of what we're gonna go over today. As we're getting back into YouTube, we're probably gonna be making a video along these lines just about once a month to keep you guys updated on the progress of the cars, what we tried and tested, and just in general, new products coming out to the market. So without further ado, let's take a dive into the car and see what we've done so far. So first things first, we got rid of these stock wheels and replaced them with a set of Advan RG4s wrapped in Yokohama tires. To bring the car down and close up that wheel gap, we replaced the factory struts with a set of Faction Fab FL spec coilovers that Faction Fab was nice enough to send us for some testing. Stepping into the engine bay, we've done a couple more things, starting with these STI flexible strut tower bars. Those add some rigidity to the car while still having some wiggle room, so it creates a very firm feeling in the chassis. Beyond that, we've also done HKS Kansai Service strut tower bar. Doing all this really helped stiffen up the front end of the car and give us a lot of grip going into corners. We also did the rear HKS Kansai Service strut tower bars, which you'll notice you can't see, as HKS did a phenomenal job making a bar that fits perfectly under the factory trunk line. So as you guys can see, this bar retains all of the OEM trunk liner while still giving you a lot of rigidity in the back of the car. And it looks cool. Moving on to my personal favorite part of the car, the interior. So far we've added some Recaro pole position bucket seats in the Pepita print. These seats are a perfect fit for the car. The white match is almost bang on. They fit perfectly. They're snug, but there's plenty of room for the hips with the pole position, making it a great seat for a daily or a car that's just gonna see a lot of spirited driving. I've also added a Works Bell quick release setup with my personal Vertex wheel in here until JD's new wheel comes in. So this is unlike a typical quick release where it's gonna come off the car, flips up and down, remains in the car. Overall, a little bit safer, same functionality, and it looks sick. So with all of that said, guys, let's take this thing for a drive and let's see how all of these mods really made this car a great driving experience. Oh yeah, we also put a Faction Fab catback on it.
Hold on.
Yeah.
The last time we were in here with a camera, it was completely stock.
That it was, not so much. Yeah, we do.
Oh, my seat just locked into place.
So as you guys can tell, this car just hooks into corners. Like no other. It grips good, it sounds good. Everything about this car is just designed to tear back roads up. You can go into this corner 50 miles an hour, zero hesitation, perfectly fine. The seating position is definitely perfect. So that's like one of the craziest things about this. With these Recaros in here and with the steering wheel, the driving position is perfect. I mean, it's perfect. The shifts feel good, the seating position's good, you can rev match it easily. My arm is at almost a perfect 90 degree, which gives me just so much comfort to huck this thing, and the feeling of confidence with how good this seating position is unmatched.
Subaru in front of us. There's a Subaru behind us.